Welcome back to the checkout guide. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to limit COD based on products in your Shopify store. So if you're new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So for this, I have used this Next Advanced Cash and Delivery app from Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link of this app in the description box. You can check it out. Once installed, go to your Shopify admin panel. Then search for Next Advanced Cash and Delivery app. Then scroll down, there is an option of limit cash on delivery configure button. Then you need to enable this global rules for cash on delivery and then select your cash on delivery payment method. And if you have added any cash on delivery fee using this advanced cash on delivery fee, then you need to just toggle on this button and you need to select your delivery method. So then click on product section and enable this restrict based on product, and from match type select hide COD for this product and select the product. So I am selecting this product and click on add. Then save your changes. Now you can just enable this restrict based on collection and select hide COD for this collection and select your collection. I have selected that featured products collection and then click on add. And you can also enable this restrict based on product tag. So in this, you can just select hide COD for this product tag and you need to enter the tag here. And then add the tag and then save your changes. Then go to your product section and you can select any of a product for which you want to hide COD. For example, for this particular product, and you can add here that same tag. Then save your changes. Now we will test this setup on our online store. Go to catalog. Now firstly, I will add this particular product to the cart. For this, I have disabled cash on delivery and then enter the test address. So here you can see only prepaid options are available. Cash on delivery is not available for this particular product. Now I will add product to the cart from that particular featured products collection. For example, this product. Firstly, enter the test address and then check. So now I will test for the featured products. Now I will add product to the cart that are in the featured collections. So for example, this product, and proceed to checkout. And now I will enter the test address. So here you can see only prepaid options are available. Cash on delivery is not available. Now I will test for the product for which I have added that particular product tag. So I have added for this product. Now I will just try to check it for this product. So here you can see that cash on delivery is not available for this product as well. So that's it. You have successfully limited cash on delivery based on products. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and happy selling.